Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can make decals in Roblox. It's quite easy and straightforward, so let me show how. First of all, go to the open a browser, go to roblox.com and log into your account, and then you should see similar window like I'm seeing here right now, and on the top you should see a create button. Press on that, and on this new window here you should see creations. Press on that again, then development items, and then here you should see decals. Then upload asset. Then you just need to give it a name, description, and then you just need to hit upload button. And then you just need to select the item that you want to upload. For me, this one. Also the name and a bunch of different things. Press upload. And then also you can press again here, open asset details. And you can also, as you can see, if we press on the decal, we can make distribute on creation marketplace and save the changes. And then go back on Roblox. And then you need to go to inventory. And here it should be a decals. So decals, and your decal should appear here. If we press on that, in game you can copy the link of the decal here, or simply if there is a ID that you need to copy, you can copy this and put it in your game. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.